Today's session is called Getting Started with QR Codes. QR codes are a great way to work an activity in your class. And the first thing we want to do is actually create the QR code. If you don't know what a QR code is, then just follow along. You'll know in about 6 minutes what a QR code is and its capabilities. First thing we're going to do is go to the QR code site, which I have in my memory because it's pretty easy. QRstuff.com, and we go to QRstuff.com, and on the left hand side you'll see what opens. Once it opens, on the left hand side you have the choices of what you're going to actually embed in your QR code. We could embed a URL, a YouTube video, some kind of map, something from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I'm going to scroll down this list though, and I'm going to actually just put in plain text. All I have to do is tap once, plain text, and then type in my message. Any type of text can. Now, if you keep an eye over here on this QR code, this is the QR code actually being built as I type in the text. So if I type in a whole series of random letters, you can see the QR code change as I type in the random letters. I'm going to type in an actual message though. Go in this area. Your QR code is now ready. Once your QR code is ready, you can either grab it from here or just download the QR code. You can change its colors. I prefer just to have a black on white QR code. They're a little bit easier to read. I'm just going to download this QR code now, and I'm going to open it. So now my QR code is ready to roll. What I personally like to do is grab that QR code and do a little snipping. So I just grab the snipping tool and I'm going to snip that QR code because with a simple right click I can copy it, and now it's on my clipboard and I can paste it anywhere I want. I've actually opened a blank Word document because I'm going to paste the QR code in here. Simple right click, paste, and I'm also going to give myself some kind of little reminder that this is a sample QR code. Because if I'm working on a lesson and I want to have multiple answers sitting on here from a quiz, for example, and I have multiple answers on this Word document, I want to label the number of the question or the main topic in that question, because all the QR codes are going to have a similar look, and you're not going to know what QR code belongs where once you get a couple on your sheet of paper. So I like to just give myself a little reminder of what that QR code really represents. I made the QR code a little bit larger so that it was a little bit easier to scan. Next thing we have to do, go to our iPad, make sure we have QR scanner loaded on there, and give this QR code a scan, see the results. Now we've switched to the iPad and we're going to do a quick search for the QR scanner. And as soon as we open up the QR reader, now we can look for a QR code. I see it. And got it. And as soon as you get it scanned and in your sites, it automatically zips that code right into text. The same thing would happen if we used a website. The same thing would happen if we used a YouTube video. Anything you can plant on the QR code when it's scanned will automatically show up when the student scans that code. Good luck. That's the entry, that's the start of using QR codes in your classroom.